You're watching How Leap. You cannot directly see a list of what reels your friends have liked due to Instagrammy's privacy settings. However, you can see some of their activity. Go to your friend's profile and tap following. If they follow a lot of accounts, this won't help. Instead, go to the Reels tab and look at the reels shared to your inbox. If a friend has sent you a reel, you know they liked it enough to share. Also, when watching a reel, look below the share button for a profile ring icon. If a friend has shared that reel to their story, their profile picture will appear there, indicating they interacted with it. Instagram prioritizes privacy, so there is no liked by friends feed. For the most part, you cannot track your friends' specific likes. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.